Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Academic Experts. So today we will learn to make ombre rose. I have taken 3 colors of white cleaner. The size of each strand is 12 inches, which is then cut it into halves. So I have taken 2 white pipe cleaners. After dividing it into 2 halves, I have selected second and third shade, which was light blue and purple. I have arranged all 3 colors. Now take any one of the strand and move it around the whole bunch. In the same way, twist another strand around the bunch to fix the whole bunch. Pull the twisted end downwards and all the remaining strands upwards, forming a broom-like structure. Start spreading each strand of every color all around. Now start twisting each strand in such a way that each strand comes closer to the stem. After spreading and twisting white, the same method would be followed for the light blue. Now with the same method, I am twisting purple. So we are done with ombre rose. Now I am taking another strand of green pipe cleaner and it's of 12 inches. Give it a twist in a zigzag manner and start twisting each loop, forming a flower shaped structure. Fix both the ends properly. Now I am inserting the flower inside the center base. I am covering each flower stem with the help of floral tape. Look the difference between two flowers. One color shows lighter to darker shade and the other shows darker to lighter. Now I am taking 18 number wire to attach both floral stems together. I am cutting it into halves. Now covering the main big stem with the floral tape. I have fixed one flower with the main stem and now fixing the other. Now I am making leaves to attach with the big stem. Unfortunately, I don't have the dark color floral stem, so that's why I am covering the stem with the help of pipe cleaner to give it a dark green shade. Now we are reaching to the end of this video. I hope you will like this tutorial. Please keep supporting me. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. I'll get back to you with another video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.